Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. If you want authentic street-style flavor right from your backyard grill, this Al-Pastor skewer is a total game changer. It's a stainless steel vertical spit designed to help you stack and roast meat perfectly for tacos al pastor or delicious shawarma at home. The sturdy base keeps it stable on your grill or smoker, and the 3 strong spikes hold your marinated meat securely so it cooks evenly and stays juicy. It's easy to install, simple to clean, and doesn't take up much storage space. Perfect for BBQ nights, family gatherings, or meal prep. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress and take your grilling to the next level. If you want perfectly cooked rice without a bulky appliance, the Dash Mini Ceramic Rice Cooker is a great pick. It's made for single servings, perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or quick meals. The non-stick removable pot makes cleanup easy, and the keep warm function keeps your rice ready to eat. It's compact, sleek, and super simple to use. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress. Make cooking easier with this 2-in-1 oil dispenser with brush. The glass bottle lets you pour and baste at the same time using the built-in silicone brush, perfect for grilling, baking, or air frying. It helps control oil, reduce mess, and keeps your kitchen clean. It's easy to refill and simple to wash. Check the links below to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress. If you're short on space but still want the convenience of a dishwasher, the capsule dishwasher is a smart solution for small kitchens. This compact countertop unit offers 7 wash programs, including baby care and even a fruit wash setting. It features simple touch controls, auto drying, and a fast 15-minute wash cycle when you're in a hurry. The best part? No plumbing required. Just fill the built-in tank and start washing. Perfect for apartments and dorms. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. If you love using your Stanley Cup but hate struggling with ice, this ice mold is a must-have. It's designed to fit perfectly and lets you fill and release ice easily without touching it. The flexible silicone tray makes popping the ice out super simple, and the clear lid with storage bin keeps everything clean and organized in your freezer. It's convenient, mess-free, and perfect for daily use. Check the links below to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress. Make your meals more fun and stylish with the Dragon Creek Crinkle Cutter Knife. This wavy chopper effortlessly cuts potatoes, vegetables, and fruits into perfect crinkle shapes, ideal for fries, snacks, or decorative garnishes. Its sharp stainless steel blade makes cutting fast and easy, while the comfortable handle keeps your hands safe and steady. Whether you're prepping for a party or just spicing up everyday meals, this cutter adds a fun twist to your kitchen creations. Grab yours today on Amazon or AliExpress using the links in the description. Upgrade your coffee game with this coffee grinder, perfect for home use. It offers precise control with 24 grind settings, letting you go from fine espresso to coarse French press effortlessly. The LED control panel makes operation simple, while the detachable funnel stand keeps your workspace clean. Its anti-static design reduces mess, so every grind is smooth and easy to handle. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just love fresh beans, this grinder makes every cup taste amazing. Grab yours today on Amazon or AliExpress using the links in the description. Keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with this rolling knife sharpener kit. Designed for blades of any hardness, it features both diamond and ceramic sharpeners to restore edges quickly and safely. The ergonomic design makes sharpening easy and precise, while the compact size keeps it handy in your kitchen. Perfect for chefs or home cooks who want smooth, effortless cutting every time. Check the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon or AliExpress today. Keep your snacks fresh and organized with this one-touch vacuum seal snack storage box. Perfect for nuts, cookies, candy, fruits, veggies, spices, and more, it locks in freshness with just one press. The divided serving tray makes it easy to portion and serve at parties, picnics, or family gatherings. Its airtight, moisture-proof design keeps your food crisp and flavorful for longer, while the compact box is easy to store and carry. Grab yours today on Amazon or AliExpress using the links in the description and enjoy fresh snacks anytime. Enjoy your favorite drinks in style with these tumblers with bamboo lids and straws. This two-piece set of wide-mouth, thickened vintage glass cups is perfect for iced coffee, juice, smoothies, or any drink. The bamboo lids keep your drinks covered and spill-free, while the reusable straws make them eco-friendly and convenient. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, these cups are a great addition to any kitchen or picnic. Grab your set today on Amazon or AliExpress using the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.